So this lesson, we're going to look at reflectional symmetry. And that's basically when you can draw a line and reflect the figure over that line and get the exact same figure. So for example, this lightning symbol from Teton, Dakota has a horizontal axis of symmetry right here. So if you were to draw a line right here and reflect the shape over the line, this little V part would reflect right onto this V part, and this original one here would reflect up to this one, and you get the exact same thing. This belt design from Botswana in the middle here has a vertical axis of symmetry. You could draw a line right here and reflect it and get the same thing. Over here, this good luck symbol has 4 axes of symmetry. In fact, you could draw a vertical one right there and reflect it and get the same thing. You could draw a horizontal one right there and get the same thing. Also, there are 2 diagonal ones. You could reflect it over this and over this and get the same exact shape. Because, like, think about it. If you reflect over here, then, like, this piece would match up here and vice versa, and this piece would match up with that piece. Now here, this bird symbol, however, does not have any symmetry. It's really, really close to vertical symmetry, like pretty close, except this little piece of the head of the bird just facing the wrong way. The beak's going to that side, which would then, if you reflect it, would be facing over on this side and not give you the same exact figure. Now these designs have tons of symmetries you can find. I'm not going to go through all of them, but there are a lot. For example, in the first one, you could do a vertical axis of symmetry. You could do a horizontal axis of symmetry. Likewise, on this one, which I'm assuming are 2 different designs here, because if you have these 2 different things, then, if they're the same thing, you couldn't find an axis of symmetry. Well, you could. You could do this axis of symmetry right here across the middle, and that would work for both. But if we just focus on the left side, then, you could have the vertical one as well, and vice versa here, we could do this and this and this. But if the whole thing is a design, then the only one we have here is this horizontal one, because if we put a line right here, then this wouldn't match up with this part, of course. Tons of symmetry in this one as well that you can find. There's the diagonals, there's the vertical, the horizontal. With this Swazi basket, interestingly enough, I can find 5 axes of symmetry really quickly, and it's just from here down through there, and then from this point down through there, and then from this point down through here, from this point down through here, and from this point right there. So basically through all 5 points and then straight across. Like start here, go straight across, start here, go straight across. And then this one down at the bottom here, this embroidery, the only one I see is this vertical line of symmetry right here.